Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to use Magic Design on Canva. Maybe you want to know how to use the Magic Design on Canva for you to have an inspiration. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So, without further ado, let's get into the video. First you will need to do is go and open your Canva application. Once you open your Canva application, simply scroll down. And as you can see in here, Magic Design. Simply tap on it. In here, you will see Magic Design. It visualizes your design ideas with a selection of refined templates made just for you. In here, simply tap on Try It Out. In here, you will see this Try Magic Design, inspiring templates crafted with your media. So what you will need to do is simply tap on this media button and then tap on images and then simply select the photo that you want. For example, I'd select this one. And in here, as you can see, Canva just made a special template for you. As you can see in here, you can also slide it up to look for more. You can also tap on this style button. And as you can see, you can add a vibe or theme. There's a lot of theme that you can choose. And also, you can pick a style, your color, and then a font. For example, you want this one, simply tap on this and tap on see results. And just simply wait again. And as you can see, Canva just made another template for you that is using your preferred style. There you go. If you wanted to know how to use the magic design on Canva, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to use magic design on Canva, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.